Everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might completely change the way you think about your diet. Ever wondered if that heart-healthy label on your cooking oil is really the whole story? Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're unraveling the hidden truths of seed oils, truths that might just make you rethink your daily meals. You might have heard that seed oils are great for your heart, but the reality is far more complex. Despite their heart-healthy reputation, seed oils are found in countless processed foods and are a major part of the average diet. Today, we're going to break down why these oils may be doing more harm than good. Seed oils aren't just used for frying or salad dressings, they're lurking in a surprising number of everyday foods. From snacks to baked goods, you're exposed to them more than you think. Understanding their pervasiveness is the first step toward taking control of your health. Here's a fun fact. Despite the name vegetable oil, these aren't oils that come directly from vegetables. Instead, they're extracted from the seeds of plants such as soy, corn, and sunflower. This misleading label often hides the fact that these oils are highly processed and far removed from their natural state. Let's talk processing. To extract these oils, manufacturers use high heat and chemical solvents. This intensive process doesn't just extract oil, it also creates unwanted toxic byproducts. One major concern is the formation of trans fats, which have been linked to a host of health issues. Beyond trans fats, there's more to worry about. Many seed oils come from genetically modified plants and may contain traces of glyphosate, a controversial herbicide. There's also BHA, a chemical classified as a possible human carcinogen, along with other toxins that can affect our immune system, nervous system, and liver. One of the most alarming aspects is inflammation. All chronic diseases have inflammation at their root, and consuming vegetable oils can contribute significantly to this problem. These oils damage cells at a fundamental level, accumulating in fat cells because our bodies can't use them for fuel, ultimately leading to long-term health issues. The most common culprits include soy, corn, sunflower, canola, and cottonseed oils. Of these, cottonseed oil is the worst offender. It's highly inflammatory, packed with omega-6 fatty acids, and often hidden in animal feed. Recognizing these culprits can empower you to make healthier choices. Here's a crucial tip. Inflammation equals a lack of oxygen in your tissues. Cancer cells thrive in low-oxygen, inflamed environments. By reducing seed oil consumption, you can help decrease inflammation, potentially lowering your risk of conditions like insulin resistance and even cancer. So what can you do? It's simple. Ditch the vegetable oils and switch to healthier alternatives. Opt for extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, butter, ghee, red palm oil, tallow, or lard. These fats are less processed and more in tune with what our bodies need. Even when choosing condiments like mayonnaise, look for brands that use avocado oil instead of seed oils. Finally, let's bring it home with some actionable kitchen tips. Avoid deep-fried foods whenever possible. If you crave that crispy texture, consider using an air fryer. It simulates the crunch without the heavy oil load. And for a healthy twist on breading, try using crushed pork rinds instead of traditional wheat-based options. Small changes in your cooking methods can lead to big improvements in your overall health.